Welcome to Artificial Professor. In this video I will explain how to stop receiving unknown numbers calls and messages. So the process is very simple. All you have to do is simply open your WhatsApp app. After it opened, tap on the three dots which are at the right top and tap on the last option, Settings. Now tap on the second number, Privacy. Simply change all this. Like if you want to set this from everyone to only your contact, then only your contacts member will be able to see your last seen. And they will be able to call and text messages. But if you will set this to nobody, then your profile picture and your about and also your status, then your contact will also not be able to see these things. So for me, I will set this profile picture to my contact, also about to my contact, and also the status. It's already for my contacts, and here is the option. Last seen and online. I'll set this for nobody means. Also my contact list will not be able to see when I was online. So after setting up all this, you only need to do one more step, and then you will not receive any unknown calls or messages. The last step is scroll it down. And here is the option. Calls, tap on this one and enable this feature. Silence. Unknown means whenever someone tried to call you and the number of that person is not in your contact list, then you will not receive any kind of notification from WhatsApp. If this feature is not available in your WhatsApp, then go to Play Store or your App Store and make sure your WhatsApp app is up to date. But this way you can stop receiving unknown calls and messages. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and see you in the next video of Artificial Professor.